Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Sarukwa sendoda leso Gogo Bathini Mbatha siye namukela ku channel Gogo Bathini Mbatha TV. Gogo kuthiwa ngiyesizibeni, gogo kuthiwa ngiyongena emanzini. Gogo ngiphupha ngisezibeni, gogo ngiphupha ngisemanzini ngaphakathi. Gogo kufanele ngenze njani? Sike sakhuluma ngani zakwethu ngokuthi how important ngokuthi you must go to a person that specializes on something. Indaba yesiziba, indaba yamanzi akuyona into yengane. Akuyona into eumachansana. Akuyona into yengane. For example, mina ngeke nguthathe ngosizibeni because I'm not equipped to deal with issues esiziba awamanzi. Ngigcina Olwandle nakhona kusuke kungiphoqa lokhu angempela futhi nakumina sebefikile abantu abadala basho ukuthi iyenze lento le manje ngihambise umuntu othuze emanzini. It's when ngizokuthatha ngiyise kuphi ngisho emfuleni noma empophomeni noma Olwandle. Akuyona into ongamani uthi uyafika njena uthi uzoyicela kumina bese ngixhuma ngiyenza because angispecialize ngayo. Ulwazi lwami ngayo lubuthuntu luphakama uma nakumina ifikile ukuthiwa mhlawumbe nginothwasa ekhaya then kuthiwa kufanele ngithathe uthwasa ngimise empophomeni noma ngithathe uthwasa ngimise Olwandle izinto efana lezo. Lapho ngiba well equipped because ngisuke ngazi ukuthi kunengilosi ezobe nami ngaleso sikhathi. But it's not something engamane uthi ufikile uzohlola bese ngithi hayi wena fanele nguyise emfuleni ngikuthathe nguyise emfuleni. Bakhona abantu abaspecialize ngaleyo nto leyo, abadila nayo nje directly, baspecialize ngayo, ispeciality kubona lento leyo, bayayazi, bayas-understand iziba. Abantu bazothi mabefika emanzini bakutshena ukuthi asikwazi ukungena namhlanje konakele noma bakini abaphelile noma bakini kunje. So if ever uba nebonakaliso amaphupho that suggests ukuthi ufanele emanzini, do your research. Yana kumuntu owazi kahle ukuthi uyaspecialize ngalento leyo, uyayazi lento leyo. Hayi umuntu ozofundela kuwena ngoba uzofika laphana ucwile ufe umuntu abantu abulawa abantu bakini sebemfuna kuyena kanti wena omsukele lo muntu lona ngoba yini awenzanga iresearch yakho kahle. Uma uzoyenza leyo process, make sure ukuthi uyaphahla wena qala. Ungakayi kulomuntu ukuyokhuluma naye, make sure ukuthi uyaphahla qala. It's very important. Without that ingane zakho uthi uhlala ekhaya. It's better to deal nebonakaliso zento lezo zamanzi zani kunokuthi udile neissue ukuthi uthatha umuntu wabantu usefile laphana ngenxa yakho noma wena usufile ngenxa yakhe. So guys, please, let's be careful. I-issue yesiziba idinga abantu abaspecializeayo, abantu abasebenza ngechibi kakhulu. Ngoba i-issue yamanzi ayimfuni umuntu ongcolile. Umuntu ongcolile ngimbeka njengomuntu ohambe ayaphathe nemithi emibi, imithi yezimpi, imithi yezichitho ini njengoGogo Bathini Mbatha. So you cannot take that person uthi uGogo Bathini Mbatha ngoba ngimzwile ekhuluma ku YouTube uyena ongangisiza ngeissue yamanzi, ngeissue yeziba, ngeissue yomfula, ngeissue yempophoma, ngeissue yedamu. Angeke ngikwazi ukwenza lokho. Research, go to umuntu omazi ukuthi uyaspecialize ngalento le. Uyayazi, kuyaziwa vele ukuthi usibani usebenza kanje. eThekwini kunogogo uMakhosi Mbatha abadinga number yakhe, they can call me. Usebenzele eThekwini, uspecialize ngeissue yamanzi, uspecialize ngolwandle, anything that has to do with water nokhuleka. into yakhe unesiphiwo sokwenza lokho uMakhosi uShando. So when I send you to her, you must also do your own research and uphahle. Make sure ukuthi uyaphahla before you start any process that has to do with idlozi namanzi. Sala kwasendoda uGogo Bathini Mbatha umavula kuvula emzini amanye amadoda 082 833 4063 082 833 4063. Ngani zakwethu, I'm based Empangeni. I only work from home. I don't work over the phone. I don't do consultation over the phone. I don't ask people to send money or airtime or whatever things that people are scamming people. Please be alert, please be careful and stay safe during this lockdown. Uhulumeni asicelile ukuthi sihlale emakhaya siphephe. KwaZulu Natal, it's a number yakhona inyuka ngesivinini. Guys, please, let's stay home as much as we can. Sala kwasendoda uGogo Bathini Mbatha maluju.